exploring the exquisite flavors of French cuisine. Welcome to French Delights. Today, we embark on a culinary journey through the heart of France, discovering the unique and delectable dishes that have captivated food lovers around the world. We begin our gastronomic adventure with French classic, escargot. These tender and succulent snails are delicately cooked in savory garlic butter, leaving you with a mouth-watering experience that simply cannot be matched. Next, we explore the vibrant French markets, a haven for all food enthusiasts. Here, you'll find an array of fresh vegetables, fruits, and aromatic herbs, providing the perfect foundation for any delicious French meal. Now, let's indulge in one of France's most beloved dishes, beef bourguignon, slowly braised in red wine, with fragrant herbs and tender beef. This dish embodies the rich and robust flavors that French cuisine is famous for. No French culinary experience would be complete without a taste of the iconic croque monsieur. This mouth-watering grilled ham and cheese sandwich, with a luscious bechamel sauce topping, is the epitome of comfort food. But let's not forget about the enticing world of French pastries. From flaky croissants to decadent eclairs, every bite is pure bliss. These delicate treats, lovingly created by skilled pastry chefs, are a true indulgence. And there you have it, a small taste of the exquisite flavors that French cuisine has to offer. From the charming cafes to the bustling markets, every corner of France beckons you to savor its culinary delights. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures from around the world. Until next time,